Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 6, Lesson 6. Our learning goal for today says, I can make flat shapes using a lot of small shapes. We did this similarly in our last lesson, where we just made objects or different shapes using smaller shapes. Today, though, it's going to be a little tricky, so if you happen to have some small flat shapes like tangrams or other shapes around your house or your classroom that you can use, I want you to go ahead and pause right now and go grab them. Remember, there's the option to do it virtually as well, but you wouldn't be able to do it, probably it'd be tricky to do it with me at the same time. Okay, so if you have some shapes, let's get going, and you can do it with me. Otherwise, you can just help me out. All right, so I see that someone has made a big long rectangle, and they divided it up into smaller shapes. I'm going to use my tangrams, or my flat shapes, to try to fill it in. So I need to look at each part. So what kind of shape do you think is going to fit into that first section, friends? 4 sides. Yeah, square. So I'm going to find my square shape, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it in right there. What about the next open spot? Another square? Okay. Another square. Oh, wow. It's filling it in nicely. I still need to keep going because I'm not done. What should I put in that last spot? Ah, you're right. Another square. Awesome. Do I need to add any more shapes? Nope. This shape was filled up with a whole bunch of squares. All right, friends, if you want, you can go ahead and make the same shape I did using your tangrams. Press pause and make it and see if you can match mine. If you don't have them, that's okay. Just keep going. All right, were you able to make a long long rectangle train using squares like me? Excellent. All right, let's make a new one. Same shape, but whoa, what did they do there, friends? They're no longer squares, are they? Yeah, I hear you yelling triangle. It's a triangles, right? They're filled with triangles. Oh my goodness, I'm going to need a lot of triangles. Let me look through my pile. All right, I'm going to fill in this first one. All right, excellent. Oh no. I am looking at this spot and then this spot. And yeah, they're both triangles, but I can't put this pink one right there. It won't fit. What do I need to do, friends? Oh, I'm so glad you came today. I need to turn it around, right? Thank you very much. It's the exact same shape. It's just flipped around. That happens sometimes when we're creating a new shape with flat shapes. We might have to turn or twist them to make them fit just so. As you're building new shapes, don't worry about if you come across a problem where something doesn't fit quite right. Try problem solving by turning and flipping it. All right, am I done? Have I filled up my shape? Nope, I need more. Yep, triangles. Triangle there. Another one. Will you tell me when to stop, please? I'm just going to be triangle wild over here. Another triangle. One more. Oh, okay. Thank you for yelling stop so loud. Whoa! Look it, I made the exact same shape as last time, but instead of using squares, I used triangles. Friends, I used 3 squares to make a rectangle last time. How many triangles did I have to use? Can you go ahead and count for me, please? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, good job. Yeah, I needed to use 6 in order to make this shape, even though last time I just had to use 3 small shapes. All right. Oh, my goodness. Does anyone know what shape this is? Yes, good job. It's a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Fantastic. All right. Wow. I don't even see what shapes I'm going to need to use in there. All right. Let's start with this biggie. What shape is that? Do you remember what it's called? Yeah, it's called a trapezoid. If you don't have a trapezoid, you just want to look for something, or if you don't know its name, if you don't remember, you just want to look for something that's shape, right? So, oh, I have this one. Yeah, that fits just right. All right, I'm going to go for a shape that I know. What about this shape? Triangle, yes. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. Remember, friend, you can be filling them in with me or press pause and create your own shape and try to match mine if you want, if you have tangrams. Otherwise, just keep cruising. All right, and then I need to fill in this last shape, right? What's that shape? Yeah, is that a parallelogram, it looks like? I made a hexagon. How many shapes did I have to use, little small ones, to make my gigantic hexagon, friends? Yes, 3. This is one of those cases where I'd have to move them around and tilt them and turn them to get them into the right spot, because it is tricky to make a hexagon. All right, well, friends, our learning goal for today said, I can make flat shapes using lots of small shapes. And that's exactly what we did together. All right, it's your turn. You're going to be practicing doing this with your problem set, and I wish you good luck. I want you to remember that sometimes you're going to have to turn your shapes in order to fit them into the shapes that they've drawn, okay? And that's just fine. Also, brave drawing, friends. It's really hard to draw these shapes inside other ones, so if it's not 100% perfect, don't stress out about it.